Welcome back. National Green Tribunal has ordered an immediate ban on all illegal mining in the state. A division bench of the NGT Western Zone has directed the state to file report by 11th March. Meanwhile, Iron Ore Capping Committee has arrived in Goa. Committee will have meeting with the state authorities on 9th February to decide on capping of iron ore.
National Green Tribunal has ordered an immediate ban on all illegal sand mining in the state. According to the report, NGT has issued this order on petition filed by an activist to ban on sand mining in the coastal areas and those falling in the coastal regulation zone. This order will affect states of Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat. The order by a division bench of NGT Western Zone comprising of Justice V.R. Kingaukar and expert member Ajay Deshpande will be applicable to coastal states. The NGT has directed the concerned agencies to initiate stern action against the violators and file their respective status report by March 11. Meanwhile, 3 members of the Iron Ore Capping Committee arrived in the state. The 6-member committee will meet on 9th February for suggesting annual cap on the volume of iron ore. Committee will submit its report on 15th February before the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, on Wednesday, special investigation team probing illegal mining case questioned law under Secretary Smita Chandwani for nearly 3 hours at Secretariat Porvory. Sources informed that Smita had given legal advice to one mine lease for a lease located in Wildlife Sanctuary. SIT has scrutinized files and documents related to that mine. Team has also taken some documents for further investigation. Once again, team interrogated former director of mines J.B. Bhingi. He was grilled for a couple of hours. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
15-year-old girl died on the spot in a tragic accident at Plotali. The accident occurred between a bike and petroleum tanker. The girl was riding the bike without a motor vehicle license. Her body has been sent to Hospicio for a post-mortem.
The incident occurred on Wednesday afternoon. Celia Fernandez, aged 15, a 10th standard student of Our Lady of Perpetual Succour High School, died on the spot in a tragic accident. Sources say she had gone to drop her friend at Kortali and was on her way back when she met with an accident with a tanker plying from Kortali to Lotli.
Nehru road asa आमचे पुरपड टू केलोसी आणि सगळी रुरल एरिया ती जायती भुरगीं आनी इस्कॉलाची जावन तू गेली बेश्टी बाजार करपा येता आनी हे ट्रक आनी टँकर्स येता ते सारके आपण जायते भाशेन चलयता आनी आपण जायते भाशेन हे करता आनी मागीर भुरग्याची डेंजर आसा भुरग्यां जावं तशें व्हडल्याचें फाटी असोच आनी एक एक्सिडेंट जालो हांवें विचारून सांगले भाशेन ते घरा कडेन पावले खंय एक्झॅक्ट बसीन येयले जिजस मेरी बसीचेर हिंग ड्रॉप जालें तें ड्रॉप जावन घरा कडेन डॅडी सांगलें आपूण खंय तरी वयता म्हणून कोणाक सोडपाक कोणाक फ्रेंडाक सो सोडून ते येता आसतना एक्सिडेंट जालो सोडून येता आसतना कुरपाडो वयताले कुरपाडो येता आसतना एक्सिडेंट जालें तेका
हांव हिंगा येयले तेन्ना ट्रॅफिक जॅम जालेलें मुगे गाडी वाटेर धरून येयला आनी हिंगेन चोयले तेन्ना टँकरां पोंदा सारके आमची शेजारी आनी पुलिसे पळय कॉन्टॅक्ट करपाक गेले हांव येयले तेन्ना पुलीस पासून आसना हिंगा हांवें पासून पुलिसे इन्फॉर्म केलेलें स्पीड ब्रेकर घालपाचें आनी हे हेवी ट्रॅफिक जे आहा तें वयल्यान कंप्लीट करून वयल्यान डायवर्ट करपाचें.
The body was carried to Hospicio in a goods carrier as 108 took time to reach the venue. The girl was riding a bike without a motor vehicle license. Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Government is giving us one more chance to boycott assembly sessions. Making this statement, Congress has demanded a change in assembly session schedule that will begin from 3rd March. These dates are clashing with the carnival celebrations. Congress spokesperson Alex Regina Lawrence said that government is following a wrong calendar. If a session is not rescheduled, then the CLP will decide on further course of action.
There are 2 calendars. One is the Gregorian calendar and the other is the luminous solar calendar. And if you go into more details, I think teni uzar kelto calendar sarkana. एपावटी कार्नावाल देखून तेणी कितें कन्फ्युजन करपाक जेन्ना कार्नावालाक एक इंत्रूज मो आसता आनी इंत्रुजाक हेड मो आसतात हे हेडान तूं म्हाका दिसता परिवर्तनाक घाणी जावपा आहा म्हूण आनी आमकां आमदारां थिंग वचनाच्याक दीस इज अ डिलिबरेट अटेम्प्ट एंड आय फील दॅट जे लास्ट टायम ईदाक एसेंब्ली सेशन दवरलें आमी सगळ्यान बॉयकॉट केल्लें हे पाटी तेणी कार्नावाला दवरलां आनी परतून बॉयकॉट करपाक आमकां चान्स दवरला तेच पयलीं म्हाका दिसता द गव्हर्मेंट शूड रिकन्सिडर दिस डिसिजन चेंज इट बिफोर the same repeat. And I think he wants all this. बिकॉज ती बारीक चयल्यारी काल तेगे काणकोणच बिहेवियर चयल्यारी ती एटिट्यूड सारकी जगण मारपाची म्हणटा ती दॅट इज द एटिट्यूड एंड डिलिबरेट करपाक करिना जाल्यार वी विल टेक अ CLP and we will decide what is the next course of action because we have a CLP.
He also said that for the first time in history, Margaon Carnival schedule is clashing with the Ponda Carnival. Congress suspects PWD Minister Dhawlikar's role in this confusion.
Margaon जेन्ना कार्नावाल जातालो ते दिसा क्लॅश करपाक खूंय कार्नावाल जायनासलो फर्स्ट टायम एपावडी तेणी पोंदा कार्निवल करपाक केला म्हाका दिसता टू सॅटिस्फाय सुदीन धवलेकर ऑल दीस कल्चर हो कल्चर डिवास्टेट करपाचो हे गेलो प्लॅन आहा आनी कांय ना
ती कितें दिवाळी गाय दसरो गाय क्रिसमस it is technically opposed by almost everyone, only it is happening as a tourist attraction. आणि हे जे सगळे जे कितें कोण उलयता पळय तातले 90-99% लोक विधानसभेंतल्यान भायर लोकांनी उडयल्ले लोक आहा तांकां विधानसभा लागना चर्च ओपोज करता कार्निवलाक आयजूच न्हय केन्ना पासून ओपोज करता इट इज नॉट अ रिलिजियस फेस्टिवल एट ऑल विधानसभा इज सिरियस विशय लेट अस अंडरस्टँड डोंट ट्राय टू मेक पॉलिटिक्स आउट ऑफ असेंब्ली सेशन्स.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.